The fate of love, exploring the fated union. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a beautiful and mystical phrase, fated union. This phrase conjures up images of destiny and deep connections. Stay with us as we unravel its meaning and usage, perfect for anyone learning the English language. Fated union is a phrase that combines two powerful words, fated, which means determined by destiny, and union, which refers to the act of joining together. When these words come together, they describe a relationship or connection that seems to be predestined by fate. It's often used in romantic contexts to express a bond that was meant to be. The idea of a fated union is a common theme in literature and films. Characters often find themselves inexplicably drawn to one another, suggesting that their coming together was written in the stars. This phrase can add a layer of depth and intrigue to stories and characters, emphasizing that some relationships are beyond our control. To help you grasp how to use fated union, let's look at some examples. They believed their love was a fated union, destined to overcome any obstacle. The story revolves around the fated union of two souls separated by time and space. We hope this exploration of fated union has illuminated its meaning and use for you. Remember, language is not just about words, it's about the stories and emotions they convey. May you find your own fated union in language learning. Until next time, happy learning!